In Student Project 8.3, we're actually going to build some DAX formulas and create some columns. To start off with, we're going to create a new column by clicking on the New Column icon under the Modeling Ribbon tab. And that actually creates a new name I can put in here. So if I want to put a new name called Discounts, and the Discounts is going to contain two columns in the table, and I'm going to patch those two columns together and put a dash between them. So we're going to start with a square bracket to come up with a list of available columns. The first column that I want to choose is the discount type. And then I want to put a space, and I can put a concatenation character, which is a shift 7 or an %. And I'm going to put a space, and then I'm going to put my double quote, press the dash between the two. Then I'm going to press a square bracket to actually choose a field. The field I want to choose is the customer amount. So I can click on that field, and so I've sort of patched those two fields together and put a dash between them, and that should appear on the right side. So if I press my checkbox, that's going to check it to see if it's correct. And if you come over to your sidebar over here, you see that it took those fields and patched them together to create a new column.